Mechanical and Auto Electrical Workshop, Deception Bay. Bay Car Electrics and All Mechanical is well established and prominently located on the main thoroughfare in Deception Bay. Started by the current owner in 1985, the business is operated by a father and son team. Two separate entities selling as one. The package includes excellent signage for passing traffic and drive-ins. With little competition, there is a consistent stream of income with repeat business and a great reputation. With mechanical, auto electrics and tyre services all under one roof, one business successfully feeds the other. Well supported by locals, the business has not been affected by COVID restrictions and is classed as an essential service. The leased premises include a fully equipped workshop with hoists, wash bay, reception and office. Bay Car Electrics and All Mechanical currently trade Monday to Friday, so there's scope to extend the hours. This opportunity is perfect for a mechanic or auto electrician wanting to buy a strong business with consistent income. There is unlimited growth potential by introducing advertising and employing more staff to keep up with the increasing demand for services.